A lot of you are struggling with trying to find some relief. You have the stiff neck, it's not really going away, the stress is just making it worse. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy remedy that you can do, and it's only going to require you to have just your standard, basic, ordinary towel. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of easy little techniques that is going to help open up the neck. And opening up that neck is going to help open up those ears. And opening up those ears is definitely going to help you feel better all the way in the body. So here we go. We're going to take a towel, a basic little towel. Let me kind of stand back here. And what you're going to do is you're going to let the towel just kind of hang loose like this, okay? So it's just your ordinary towel. And what we're going to do is we're going to stretch it out to its full potential here, this full length. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of create like a snake, almost like twirling it around. So it's almost like a band, okay? Get it as twirled up as you can, okay? Keep going. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. So here we go. There we go. So that way it's a little bit more resistant. It's a little bit more like a thick rope. We're going to place this behind your neck. So it should be fairly comfortable just putting it behind your neck. Just doing that. See, it's really twisted up here. So what we're going to do, this is the easy one right here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to lean our head back, okay? Just keep going back. Back, keep going. Kind of resist a little bit, but not too much. So kind of hold the end of the towel here and resist a tad bit. So we're just going back. And we're gonna do at least 10, 15 of these. And you're just literally doing, this is basically stretching out the neck in the back of the neck. So we're just going back like we're looking up at a plane. We're going back, going back, going back. Okay, so once you get about 10 of those in, perfect. So now the next step is we're going to take either side. I'm going to use my right side and I'm going to cross it around over the top, okay? Try not to let it unroll like mine just almost did. And so hopefully you can hear me on the mic here. You're going to hold this almost like a scarf, okay? And now we're going to go to the right. Hold it there. Come back to the right. And while you're doing that, you're still kind of holding a little bit of resistance here. Not too much, but just a good amount. To the right. Okay, now let's go to the left. Going to the left. And see, my left, you can tell when you do this, which way is a little bit more tighter than the other way. So for me, the right is pretty, fairly easy to get there. The left is a little off. So going to the left, you can feel it's a little off. And as you keep looking left and right, and sometimes you can keep doing the same side a few more extra times, but as you keep doing to the left or the right, you'll notice which one's more stiff. So for me, the left is more stiff. So what I'll do is I'll keep going to the left a little bit more. And each time I do so, I can feel myself being able to look further and further back, going this way. So see? Each time I can go that way and then I throw it off, just kind of switch it up and go back to the right a little bit. Now the right feels fairly comfortable, so I don't really need to do that as much. So I'm just focusing on the left side. The left is a little bit off. So, all right, so now you got those out of your system. Now what we're gonna do is kind of take it off here like this. And this one's a little, I wanted to do it from the beginning. We could have actually kind of gone from that point of view, but I want to do it from the beginning just so you can see it again. So we're going to cross over again. And this time we're going to have almost like this way. So you want to pick, I really hope my mic's not disrupting the video. But what we're going to do is we're going to have either your left or your right, whichever your dominant hand is. And so for me, it's my right. I'm going to hold it up and I'm holding it up this way. Okay. So now you got a good firm grip on both ends of the towel. And what we're going to do is this time we're going to pull down. All right. Now, the reason why we have it like this is because we're supporting the neck, but we're also giving it that pull down. So you want it to look just the way I have it here. You want to have some good strong grip at the top, good strong grip at the bottom, and we're going down. All right, keep going. I literally hear all the popping going on in my neck. I hear all of it just releasing as I go down. Okay, keep going. Kind of pull down with this one on this hand here. Kind of use that as a way to pull it down. This one's kind of guiding it. Okay. And you hold it up that way. Okay. Go ahead and loosen up. Kind of loosen up. give yourself, you know, some twirl arounds, some loosen up, and that should really do a lot for you. Now there's a few more that I'm gonna do on a later video. I'm gonna have 3 more extra towel stretches because I feel like towel stretching is very underrated. There's really a lot you can do with stretching using just this here. And I think a lot of you will benefit from that because a lot of you are struggling, and you know, and we need to find things that we can do in the comfort of our home, places where we go, things that make it easier, things that don't cost a whole bunch of money. A lot of you've already spent tons of money probably going to specialists, trying to get your ears to feel better, trying to get this horrible tinnitus calming down, trying to get this eustachian tube dysfunction out of the way. So we want to find things that are a little bit more easier for you to get through and to be a little easier on the pocketbook. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.